Can these bones live? Can what died breathe again? Only you know, Lord. Only you know. But we will prophesy. We will declare life is coming again. I stood in valleys, cold and dry, where dreams had withered, hope had died, and nothing left but empty space. Still I felt your hidden grace. Though my heart was torn apart, you were there within the dark, waiting for the moment when you would call my soul again. You said, speak life. You said, declare, even when nothing was there. Dry bones shall rise again. Hear the echo, hear the wind. God of life is moving in. Dry bones shall rise again. From the dust, from the pain, you are calling us by name. And nothing you have made will end. Dry bones shall rise again. Every grave I thought was sealed now is breaking as you heal. Every voice that once was still now is shouting by your will. Chains are falling, fear is gone. You've been moving all along. In the silence, in the wait, you were opening the gate. Now I see it. Now I chain is breaking now. Every promise rising now. We believe it, we believe it. You are not a man that you should lie. What you said will come alive.